Okay, engine started very smoothly, lights are gone. I open the window so you can listen to the engine sound. Okay, I'm gonna accelerate. Let's check out the RPMs and listen to the sound of the engine. 1, 2, 3. One more time. As you can see, the RPMs go up very smoothly. Sound of the engine is also normal. Everything looks just fine. And let's check other stuff here. The car. Start with the radio. Okay, start from here. Search for another channel.
서울 시내 위론 2건의 사고 제보 있습니다. 올림픽대로 김포 방향 성수대교에서 동호대교 구간 4차로에서 사고 발생했고요. 강변북로 구리방.
배워서 저희들끼리 이제 가락을 짜고 구성.
Perfect. So the radio, as you can hear here, it's working just fine. The speakers are also very clear. Let's check out the AC. It was on actually. Start one more time. Okay. Here's the fan speed. AC's on. Can you feel the wind? Can you hear the sound of the wind here, the fans? The wind is blowing. And it's getting very cold air. It's working just fine. This side as well is working just fine. So the AC works perfectly. We got also here seat heaters. This one. Alright. Oh, we got also here buttons to control the radio. And these are for the windows, of course. Perfect. This window too. All work just fine. Let's go to the last window. Also working perfectly. Check out the seats here. They're very clean and in a very good condition. Check out this seat as well. If you look here, you can see it was quite rusty. You can flip this down and make it like full trunk.
Esta es busyman.kr, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398. Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.